All right, I'm going 41 miles an hour. I would have never known that because I don't have a speedometer in front of me. Thank you, Florida road system. Welcome everyone, Adam the Woo here. It's my second channel, daily vlog channel. It's the Daily Woo. Looks like they're clearing away some brush and setting it on fire. Progress. Imagine cruising around in that thing. That's awesome. I'm stopping off at this Walmart not only to get some last second Christmas presents, but also to meet up with a friend. They got some candy canes out front, but really these aren't candy canes. They are concrete pillars to stop you from driving in the front door. Don't even attempt it. That's my rental car. Super Walmarts are a really good place if you're gonna meet up with someone for the day and jump in the same vehicle and carpool, to leave your car, because they don't know if you're in there shopping or if you're not. As long as you're not here for a long period of time, you could just park at Super Walmart. Just don't tell them I told you that. Keep it a secret. Keep it our secret. There's Marty just hanging out with his brother and sister by the well, having a good time. But slowly, they've been erased from existence. I'm looking through this book. This is Micah's book. All about Back to the Future. Some good stuff in here. A photo of Eric Stoltz and his stunt double, the original Marty McFly. Here's a candid look at Michael J. Fox on set of Back to the Future. I think what he's thinking right there is, I really wish I was back on the set of Family Ties hanging out with Michael Gross. I think that's what he's thinking. There's a dollar bill with Biff's face on it, and there he is with two lovely ladies watching a Clint Eastwood movie. Genius! The guy's a genius! Taking care of business every day. Are you working overtime? You're working a lot of overtime?
We're working a lot of overtime.
Taking care of business and working overtime.
Work out.
Heading into Orlando. And I know this because it's written across that bridge. That's the jail here in Orlando. It's known as 33rd Street. Judging by the sign on the wall, the Healthy You Fitness Center is being demoed. I wonder if it really is, or if someone just playing a practical joke with spray paint. This is outside the Amtrak station, and look at this old, dilapidated office. And they use railroad spikes to place the wood up the side of this ramp. And the wood has deteriorated. I don't think this door's been used in a very long time. I'm tagging along with Micah today because he is filming something that he's been wanting to do for a long time, and he asked me if I wanted to join him. And I said, I shall indeed. Orlando, Orlando, oh, Orlando. I've always loved the fact that they kept this place looking exactly as it did in the 1980s, down to the old phone booths. I think that's where it used to be mounted, right there. So you basically pick the phone up, call your friends and family, and then after you got done, you would open up the door and you would exit out. There you go. You gotta make it a good one though. Give her a little smooch. Come on, don't be shy. Get in there. There you go. Is that how you kiss? Goodness gracious. I've been asked by a few people to stop off here. One of the biggest tragedies, if not the biggest tragedy in Orlando's history, happened right here about a half a year ago at the Pulse nightclub. I'm not going to talk during this. I just wanted to show you what it looks like now, people paying their respects, and what people have left to those who passed away here on this property. It is definitely not a subject that is a happy one, but through every tragedy, there always is a light. And I think Orlando has shown that for sure. The last time I was up in this area, this place was closed, but not today. It's open for business. Hot dog heaven. Since 1987, they have been serving authentic Chicago dogs, and it looks like Hitchcock would be proud. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. It's safe to say this place is very popular. Oh yes, this is the best, a Chicago dog. In fact, I like it so much, I ordered a second one. Go for it, man. Do it. All right. Do it. You gotta let me... Oh, chow down on it. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Yes? Mm-hmm. That means thumbs up. Mm-hmm. This place is awesome. Probably the best hot dog I've ever had in Orlando. Have you eaten a lot of hot dogs in Orlando?
Oh, no.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm really full.
Yeah, you're very, very full. What'd you think?
Stand up. Oh, it was excellent. Awesome. So good.
Hot dog heaven. Right here on Colonial Drive, also known as Highway 50. I think that used to be a Kmart at one time. Now it's completely empty. Not many Kmarts left anymore. This guy's in full party mode. Yeah, that's right. Kind of hard to see him, but sitting against the wall under the Just Puppies sign is a Santa Claus, and he's bugging out. Look at his eyes. They're just spinning around all crazy like.
He can't believe Christmas is this weekend.
He's not ready for it.
He's not ready.
He's got so much to do. Take a chill pill, Santa. Take a chill pill. And this little bus underneath the ice cold auto air sign, it's been there forever. About 20 years ago, there used to be hot dog stands all around the town. And right in this parking lot used to sit one. And the girls that would serve at them wore next to nothing, and the city eventually banished them. And Shaquille O'Neal, when he was a rookie, was getting himself a hot dog right over there, doing a little flirting. Right here on the right hand side used to be Club Firestone, and many years ago I was in a band and we played with the Misfits right in there. Right here where this building now sits used to be Terror on Church Street, a all year long haunted house. In fact, there is the sign saying Church Street. It's been gone for years. This trash can says the Citrus Bowl on the side of it. The fact is, though, we're a couple miles from the Citrus Bowl. Why is this trash can out here? Holy cow, they're tearing it down. Finally, after all these years, they're tearing these down. They have been abandoned for probably a decade or two. Here in Kissimmee. Crazy. I never thought I'd see the day when those were gone. But now they are. Right next to this abandoned house, under this very majestic tree, sits a Christmas tree. Kind of a lonely Christmas tree. There's nothing else around it except a picket fence right here off the side of the road. Kind of hard to notice it, but it is beautiful. Has little dolls hanging from it. The Paradise Car Wash. I see what you guys did there. Very clever. Very clever indeed. Adam the Woo? Do you think cows celebrate Christmas? You think they know what Christmas is? You got all your presents purchased? Make sure you remember all your friends. You don't want to leave anyone out. Look at him acting all nonchalant, as if only thing he cares about is grazing, when in the back of his mind he's thinking, what am I gonna get little Timmy? What's gonna be under little Timmy's tree? That's what he's thinking. Trust me, it is. Normally in Florida you see Bob's Barricades. That's the big barricade company. But these are Acme brand. I guess Wile E. Coyote is soon to put Bob out of business. Wait a second. In the movie What About Bob, Bill Murray's character, his name was Bob Wiley. Wile E. Coyote, Bob's Barricades. There seems to be some kind of connection. Mind blown. Starting to move some of the clothes into here as well. It's coming along nicely. I got the insurance papers in the mail today. Put those up there in the glove box area. Well, not the glove box, but, you know, by the captain's chair. Drawing a blank on what it's called. Getting very close. The time is almost nigh. Is that the correct terminology? Either way, thanks for watching this video. I love you all. Take care of yourselves. See you tomorrow. Vlog over.